today we are actually going to be using the Jack's Magic Stain Identification Kit. This swimming pool has had a few recent marks pop up on the finish. So what we want to do is go ahead and try to identify what type of a stain treatment is going to work best with it. First things first is the kit itself. It does tell you where the chemistry needs to be in order to successfully perform this identification test. It comes with these 3 different types of stain solutions, 1, 2, and 3. And essentially, when we perform this this test, whichever one works best on the stains is what you would want to go ahead and do a treatment using that particular stain solution. The first stain solution we're going to try is stain solution number 1. For this particular stain solution, you need to be adding approximately half of the bag over one of the spots and let it sit for approximately 30 to 45 seconds, brush it away, and see if it does any type of a treatment to the stain itself. You can see we've gone ahead and poured some of that half of that package over that spot. We're gonna let it sit. Also, as a side note, it works best when the pool water is calm and the water isn't moving. So we'll leave that there and we'll brush it away here shortly and see how it comes out. So as you can see, it really did not do much to the stain. Next step is, if that one doesn't work, you move on to stain solution number 2. And this particular one, we're going to use about 1/3 of the bag. Let that sit for about 30 to 45 seconds and brush it away and see how that one works. So as you can see, the stain has mostly been removed from the stain solution number 2, the copper and scale stuff. See it again here for this particular treatment. And what that means is now we can move forward with purchasing the copper and scale stain treatment. You essentially buy that in a larger amount so you can treat the entire swimming pool. Again, you want to make sure the pool chemistry is correct per the instructions required. Again, it's on the box with the steps needed for the stain identification procedure. And that should remove the stains from the rest of the pool. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to join our Facebook group, Pool People by Inyo Pools. A lot of homeowners and technicians go there, share their experiences, solutions for troubleshooting, etc., etc. Thank you very much for watching the video, and take care.